In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily log into your Hostinger account. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or just getting started, the process is quick and simple. We'll walk through it step by step, ensuring you're comfortable with each part of the process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you like best. Once your browser is open, head over to your address bar at the top of the screen. Here, you'll need to type in the URL, www.hostinger.com, and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Hostinger homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, your next task is to find the Login option. You'll notice this button conveniently located in the top right corner of the page. The design is quite user-friendly, so it should be easy to spot. When you find it, click on the Login button, and this will direct you to the Login page. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. This means you'll need your registered email address and your password for Hostinger. Double-check to ensure each character is entered correctly. A minor typo can prevent you from logging in, but don't worry if you forget your password or email. There are usually options available to retrieve or reset them. Hostinger also offers a few alternative login options. If you prefer, you can choose to log in using your Google account, which is especially handy if your accounts are linked. This can save you the trouble of remembering another password. Similarly, you have the option of logging in with Facebook or GitHub. Just select the option that feels most convenient and secure for you. Once you've successfully entered your details or selected your preferred login method, you'll gain access to your Hostinger account dashboard. From there, you can manage your website, view your hosting plan, and explore various tools and resources available to help you get the most out of your web hosting experience. And there you have it. Logging into Hostinger is as simple as that. Remember, understanding how to access your account efficiently means you can spend more time focusing on what really matters, building and maintaining your website. Thank you for following along. If this video helped you out, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials.